Alright everyone, looking at Maker here, and I'm on the daily chart. I'm thinking about scrolling into the 4-hour chart and to see what we could see. But here on the daily chart, on the macro scale of things, you can see this thing's in a massive downtrend here. And it looks like you just broke the low here. This purple line is your macro low for Maker. Um, if you actually zoom out to the weekly chart all the way back, and let me just go there. All the way back here where you found resistance at back in August of 2020, you are now down below that price level on Maker. So just kind of watch out here. This thing seems like it's just falling off the table. Your next stop on the daily chart here is 655. You're at what, 697 at the moment. So you're looking at about another 5.5–6% move down. And then here on the daily, if you lose that, you can see your next stop is going to be the 1618 support down here at 257. So if you lose this bottom here at 650, the bottom's going to fall out of this thing, in my opinion. So we'll zoom into the 4-hour chart to see what we see there, but you're looking at about a 62.5% move, and I know that you can hear the mouse clicking. It's very annoying. Um, I got to get me some better kind of setup. But yeah, with that being said, if you lose this 650 area on the macro scale of things, look for 257 to be your next target, because there's really no bottom after this. If we actually switch into the 4-hour chart, I'll try to hit the mouse buttons a little bit quieter because it's annoying even me. So zooming in here on the 4-hour chart, let's see some more if there's any more price targets this thing can find support on actually after it did break this low here. So let's see here. Looks like you just broke through the bottom, or you held the 786 here for 4 hours, and then you fell through it. You're kind of consolidating right now. So you did tag the low here once at 686. You're kind of just going sideways now. So if this thing just keeps crawling sideways and down, your next stop's 656 and then 619 down here. And remember, we did switch over to the 4-hour chart, so a little non-macro price points. So if you lose that bottom there at 686, you're coming down here for about a 5.5% move to 656, and then the 1618 here for about 11% move down here to 619. And then you can see the 2618 down here at 510. We'll go ahead and measure that out. So from where you are right now, you lose 680, 650, 619 there, and you drop all the way down here to 510. You're looking at about a 27% move down here to the 2618 on the 4-hour chart at 510. So those are a little bit closer prices to watch on Maker here. Of course, we could zoom all the way into the 30-minute chart and find every little bounce it's making, but on the macro scale of things, that's what you need to look for. And like I said, on the daily chart here, you did break below the low, so there's really no support anywhere else for this thing. So if it keeps falling, it may just start free falling down here. So you have the potential to come down here to 257. So I would say it depends on the rest of the market. If Bitcoin keeps dropping and breaks below 19K, then this thing may just melt away. So just kind of watch those prices there. And with that being said, really not much else to say. I mean, you lost your support, so we'll see how the market plays out and see what happens, and then we'll just take it from there. But yeah, just watch those prices there, not financial advice, and peace out.